Lion, do you know how to make slime? That's Uncle Lex's blankie. Uncle Lex brought a blankie. What are you doing on his blankie? Oh, it's your blankie. Alright, I'll look up the recipe myself. Welcome to the 4th of Slime 2022. Making the slime, getting some water. Going to be making 3 pots, so that's a gallon in each pot. This is 2 quarts. So we got to put some water in and put that on the burl. You can't watch it because it won't burl. And that's it. Today is actually July 3rd. And July 3rd, we're making it the day before for 2 reasons. One, it makes the slime extra raunchy tomorrow. And 2, we got time now. So you might as well. It actually works out because it does have to cool after you make it because it is heated to boiling. So by doing that, it'll be cool overnight, and then sometime in the morning, 8, 9, 10 a.m., something like that, I take it outside and leave it out in the pot in the sun, and it warms it up to a point where it's a really nice warm blankie. Kind of like Uncle Lex's, except this has got more colors in it. Now we're going to go ahead and get this on the burl using a proper gas stove. So we'll light this one up first just because I happen to be right-handed. That one says rear. Did we blow up? We didn't? Oh, that's it. Asphyxiation. I'm going to open the damn door now. Let all the hot air in. Turn the fan on. Over there. Put all the ceiling fans on. Oh, yeah. Now we're good. Let's shut that because it's all bullshit. Ah, good. Keep the AC in the house. Except for the exhaust fan. Because it vents outside, because it vents. But then again, the burners are on, so it's adding a lot of heat to the house anyway, so I'm full of shit as usual. The water is finally burled. It's time to stop killing ourselves, because, why. And now we have the potats. This makes slime somehow. I don't know how that works. This is 15.3 ounces. Probably used to be 16. Now with inflation, 12. I don't know. So you might need 3 of these. I don't know anymore. You're looking for 30 to 32 ounces of this stuff. People say, oh, you're wasting food. With supply chain issues, hey, I'm lucky I could even get it. And the box don't even open. There you go. So now that we have the box open, we're going to do what we're going to do later. Tomorrow. Dump. We put the one in, get another one. So let me get that dumped in there. And then I'll show you the next step. And start stirring it in. I feel good about myself. I'm making food for my Right. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot about the carpal tunnel. Yeah. I don't know if it's absolutely imperative to boil the water. It's just something I've always done. What I can tell you is after I get this sort of a little homogenized, that is not slime. So we need more water. It's a good thing they didn't make slime HE. Couldn't even use water then. So this takes another gallon. Or we'll start with that and see. Mind is all flamgoozled. I don't know what that means either. So what do you think? Does the house smell like patat?
Pretty much.
That's fine.
What does the king of the house think?
Damn it, that's cute. Yeah, we'll stick with the 2 quarts. A lot of lumps, so I'm going to keep working this for a while. Got to get the lumpings out. Keep stirring. It's definitely too loose, but I mean, look at the big lump there. You know, it's not horrible. We're getting places, but you got to get the lumps out and keep going here. And then I got 2 more to do, so I'll be a while. 3 pots of slimin'. I've done these 2 ahead of time, and we are pretty damn close to looking like slime. So those, of course, pretty good, not too bad. I could shovel some in and back and forth, but this one, not quite, and that's because it needs more water, and that's why this clip is here. Something about like that. Can't take the water out, so you got to get it right when you put it in. And you got to stir. You can't use the little $25 wooden spoons from the dollar store anymore because inflation. You got to use the, well, it used to be like $5 for a spoon like this, so now it's 50. So you got to use a heavy duty one because you will schnappen the spoonworks. I guarantee you will schnappen the spoonworks. And there's lumps, so we gotta get the lumps out. But it's definitely coming together. You can see how much looser it is now, like that. And very close. Yeah, I think just some more stirring, and we pretty much have it. And you can, of course, adjust the consistency. If it's too thick, add some more water. If it's too thin, you done fucked up. So, let's see. Scrape down the sides. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, okay. Let's compare. There's a big globule, globulog. And here's your host, Glob Eubanks. Because America, red, white, and blue, so the red food coloring. And I always start with 20 drops, and it's never enough, and then I do 20 more, and it's just right. So this year, I'm going to start with 20 drops, and it won't be enough, and I'll put 20 more, and then it'll be just right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And a couple more, because I felt like it. Now we stir in the Strawbelarius shortle cake. Why do you still have the fan running? So the house doesn't smell like patat as much. There we go. Now we get somewhere. So I'm going to stir this for a while. It's hard to, it's not easy to, is what I'm telling you. So I'm going to stir that for a while and we'll add some more. Maybe it's a different slime salation. I don't know, but it's time to add 20 more drops.
Well, it used to be 20 because of inflation. Now it's 40.
Okay. These used to be, you know, a couple bucks, a couple $100 now. Alright, now we're getting some more red. There we go. So, you can still see the streaky bombs in that, so we need to keep stirring for, it's going to be a little while. I know Nickelodeon makes it look so easy. Oh my god, I go on Nickelodeon, I got slimed! There's work involved. You just didn't have to do it. But I'm a one-man band. I got Lex here running the camera. I mean, thanks, you know, it just helps in that regard. But otherwise, just gonna need more. I don't know why, just will.
Well, you should have taken the double dare instead of the physical challenge.
No, but the physical challenge is the ultimate because then it's 4 times the dollars. Isn't that how it is today? The blue. Oh, look, yeah, we lost that footage. Actually, we never recorded it because you get the idea. Somewhere in there. Try that. The blue is kind of a guesstimation because I had 2 of them biddle-loddles of stuff and they were, only had a few drops in them. So then I put water in it to get the rest out. That was effective. And then a lot of lumps in this one. Let's see the consistency. Not bad. Maybe a little looser than the rest, but it's alright. I think the lumps sort of add some, well, it adds to the homematedness, you know, that's first. And second is, it sort of adds a little texture to it, just to make it a little more interesting. But slime is smooth! This isn't real slime! What do you think on that? I think it just close.
What do you think, audience? Bleep bloop down in the comments below.
Alright, well the video's already posted by now. Thanks for your input, really appreciate that. So we'll add a little more. 10 more? Why is there patat on this? Stirring things. Wish I had a Mixolator 3000 for this. Man, that would really help.
Need the
I'm doing it all manual.
Need to get a Binford 5000 mixer.
Oh, Binford. I mean, that's high quality stuff. We can't afford that on this channel.
We operate on a strict budget of naught.
Exactly. I think that color's pretty good. I'm just going to keep stirring a bit. I'm going to stir the red a little more. I think the red could use just a tickle more, you know, so we'll figure it out. So here's the slime in. The red, this was full. And that's well more than 40 drops. It just, I put in, and I put more in, and I put more in, and it's just not getting any redder, so. It's inflation, it's just watered down. Still got a little red on the Flindas, but that's about it for the red. The blue turned out pretty good. That's a damn nice blue. If I do say so, somebody else. We'll move that aside and come to the white, because we have to color the white so that way other colors don't get offended. Cool on top. Blazing in there. And there's still lumps. What I like to do is let it cool. It's, see, that's got just the warmth. It's such a blanket of warmth. But as I go I'm only going 2 inches deep, and already it's getting like blazing hot. So I can't even stick my hand in this. It has to sit and cool for hours and hours and hours. And that's one of the reasons that when I make it the day of, I got to start it early in the morning, because it takes a long time to cool, because you don't want to get burned by this. That's just not fun. And it holds heat for a long time. Cools from the top down. So down here is still like molten lava. But as far as the slime in, that's too hot. It's got some good coverage, is what I'm telling you. Looks a little thick, but I'm not really going to be concerned about that, because, you know, if I add too much water, I can't take it out. So I can add a little more tomorrow if I need. And as it is, I can't really get in there with my hand. I like getting in there with my hand to really just squeeze out the lumps in that, and I just don't have that option at this time because of how hot it is. And it's already 8 o'clock at night and starting to get a little dark out. It's the day before the 4th. Going to be people setting off a few fireworks. Don't want to miss that. And the pool's been waiting, so you know, that's about just going to kind of sit there. But that's too hot. But yeah, that's going to be nice. Extra raunchy. Just because. And I know you're looking at me and you're like, what the hell are you doing with that? I said, didn't you ever like play with your food as a kid and your parents always yelled at you? Well, now that I'm grown up, I can play with my food and nobody yells at me. Because I'm a grown up, so I'm allowed. I don't know. Anyway, that's going to wrap up the making of the slimes for 2022. That's CHWENTY. So in the meantime, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. That's going to suck tomorrow. We'll see you. Bye-bye.